Let's begin with a new chapter, Evolution of Artificial Intelligence. Let's start learning objectives. Understand artificial intelligence basics. Learn AI history milestones. Identify current AI applications. Explore AI's future possibilities. Recognize types of AI. Know smart home AI devices. Artificial intelligence refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include understanding language, recognizing patterns, learning from data, and making decisions. AI is used in many modern devices such as smartphones, computers, and smart home gadgets. In this chapter, you will learn how AI has evolved, starting from its early development to the modern applications we see today. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science where machines are programmed to think and act like humans. These machines can solve problems, understand spoken language, and even play games. AI is all around us, helping make our daily lives easier. For example, voice assistants like Siri and Alexa can answer questions and perform tasks like setting alarms or playing music. History of artificial intelligence. AI has come a long way from its beginnings. Here are some key events in its development. 1950s, the Turing test. British scientist Alan Turing proposed a test to see if a machine could behave like a human in conversation. This test became the foundation of AI development. 1956, Dartmouth Conference. The term artificial intelligence was first used by John McCarthy at a conference. This event is considered the official birth of AI as a field of study. John McCarthy is considered as the father of artificial intelligence. 1997, Deep Blue vs. Garry Kasparov. IBM's AI computer, Deep Blue, defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. This was a major step in showing the power of AI. 2009, Google driverless car. Google developed a car that can drive itself using AI. This technology, called autonomous driving, uses sensors and cameras to navigate roads without human help. Current applications of AI. AI is used in many fields today, like healthcare. AI helps doctors by analyzing medical images and data to detect diseases faster and more accurately. Education. AI creates personalized learning experiences for students, helping them understand subjects better. Smart devices. Devices like Alexa and Google Assistant use AI to perform everyday tasks like playing music, answering questions, and controlling home lights. Future possibilities of AI. AI has a bright future with many exciting possibilities. Autonomous vehicles. In the future, we may see more self-driving cars that use AI to make roads safer. Education. AI tutors can help students by adapting lessons based on their needs and learning style. Types of artificial intelligence. AI can be divided into different categories based on its abilities. Narrow AI. This type of AI is designed to perform a specific task. Examples include playing chess, recognizing faces, and answering questions. Narrow AI cannot do anything outside of its programmed task. General AI. This is the future goal of AI, where machines will be able to think, learn, and perform any task that a human can. General AI does not exist yet, but scientists are working to create it. Superintelligent AI. This type of AI will surpass human intelligence and will be able to solve problems beyond our capabilities. Superintelligent AI is a topic of much debate and is still a far-off possibility. Smart home devices. AI is used in smart home devices to make living more convenient. From smart thermostats that adjust the temperature automatically to smart security cameras that detect movement, AI helps in managing home tasks efficiently. Some smart AI devices are smart lights, smart doorbell, smart vacuum cleaner, smart camera, smart lock, smart refrigerator, smart TV, etc. Now, let's get into the chapter summary. Artificial intelligence enables machines to perform human-like tasks. Alan Turing proposed the Turing test in 1950s. John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence in 1956. Deep Blue defeated chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997. AI is used in healthcare, education, and smart devices today. Future AI may include self-driving cars and personalized tutors. Smart home devices use AI to make daily tasks easier.